Oh, yeah? You women are as stubborn as a mule.
Don't you dare call me a mule, you mule! Get out this minute and don't ever come back!
That suits me just fine. Winning, bah. I'm through with him for life. I want a one-way ticket to Algiers.
He's gonna call it any minute and he'll say he's sorry, too. And then I'll say in a sweet voice, you have the wrong number, and I'll hang up. I'll show him.
So, you want to join the Foreign Legion, eh? How many guys you bump off?
I ain't hurt nobody in me life.
Oh, a woman, eh? Well, go in the corner and have a good cry.
I ain't never cried in me life.
Hey, Sergeant, here is a character who has never cried in his life.
How about this beauty for your 75th wife, O most exalted one? Or this? Or this?
Bah, they all look alike. Wowee! Now she's different. Bring her here at once.
Hello, Popeye. I forgive you. Yes, I forgive you. Hello, hello. I'm coming, Popeye. Ah!
Congratulations. You have been chosen by our most esteemed Sultan to be his 75th bride.
Oh! You keep away from me! Oh! Help! Popeye, save me! Help!
Hip! 1, 2, 3, 4, hip! Hip! 1, 2, 3, 4, hip! Hip! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Help! Oh, Popeye, save me! Where are you, Popeye?
Olive! I'm coming!
You can't desert the Foreign Legion, or I'll shoot!
Olive!
Eat and be merry, for tomorrow you shall be my happy bride.
Huh. I'd rather starve to death than marry you.
Oh,
Popeye! What are they going to do to you?
Don't you worry none, Olive. I'll get out of this.
Oh, Your Highness, please let him go.
If your boyfriend can defeat my champion wrestler, I shall set you both free.
Oh, Popeye! He's a monster!
Don't worry, Olive. Okay, you big gorilla. Let's see you stop this one. Oh, you pushed me.
Let him go. Let him go.
Well, take that and that.
Come on, Popeye! You can do it!
Finish him off.
Oh, look out, Popeye! Oh! Oh!
Doesn't look good for your boyfriend. Hey, where's my spinach? This fight is making me hungry.
Spinach? I'll take that spinach. Catch, Popeye, catch!
Don't go away. I'll be back for more. Yippee!
Guards, get him, get him.
Oh, Popeye, be careful! Look out, Popeye! Oh, Popeye, save me! Help! 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 Oh, Popeye! Help! Oh, Popeye, I'm sorry I quarreled with you. I'll never do it again.
I forgives you, Olive.
Huh? What do you mean you forgive me? You started it.
Oh, yeah? If you
Yeah.
hadn't have been as stubborn as a mule, nothing would have happened.
How dare you call me a mule, you mule, you?
Well, that's
You
what
men
you
are
are,
all
oh,
alike.
yeah. Well,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
telling you
Well,
one
you
thing,
can
this
keep
is
your
gonna be
remarks
the
to
end of it.
yourself, and
I
that's
don't want
what you
nothing
are.
else to
Oh,
do
no,
with
you
you.
don't.
Oh,
You
yeah,
think you're
yeah.
gonna get
Well,
away
that
with
goes
all
double
this.
through.